So, g'day people, how you going today? This is Glenn and this is Gumadi Coins and Banknotes. Today I'm going to bring you the first coins of Singapore. Now these were issued in 1967 after Singapore was kicked out of the Malaysian Federation. And this issue here was issued into 1985, or minted should I say. And they were replaced with a second version, the second series here, and these were replaced in 2013 with a third version, but enough of those later. So as you can see, the obverse of these coins are pretty much the same, just have the denomination and the date and the country. So here we have the $1, has the $1, has wheat on the side, Singapore, and the date up the top. Now, all these copper nickel coins are milled, but I'll show you those at the end. Okay, this one here was bronze at the start, but in 1976 they were issued in copper clad steel. And can you see? Might be able to. This one is actually clad. No, it's not going to focus. Oh, yeah. You can see there. Now this part, you can see the cladding there. Oh, finger's got paint on it. Okay, and this copper nickel coin was issued in copper nickel clad steel from 1980 to 1984. Then mint sets, these ones are issued as copper nickel and these ones are still issued as bronze. So on the reverse side we have different images. Each coin has a unique and different design. Okay, the 1 cent has high-rise building and a fountain, and it has clouds in the background. The 5 cent has the Oriental Darker, which is a bird that occurs in like wetlands around that region. And because Singapore is pretty small, pretty integrated with the Malayan Peninsula, it has no endemic species itself. Okay, the 10 cent has the crowned seahorse, Hippocampus coronatus. Looks like good. I quite like seahorses, they're a beautiful type of fish. Quite unique actually. See, this one is grabbing onto a seaweed or another plant. And that's how it stops itself from being washed away by currents in the ocean, because their swimming ability is pretty poor. And also they camouflage quite well within the seaweed. Okay, the 20 cent has the swordfish. Now it's a common fish in the Atlantic and Pacific, and probably also common around Malaysia and Singapore as well. And I heard they're very tough fish to catch. And this one has waves in the background to simulate a fish flying on top of the water. No, actually it's not flying on top of the water. Okay, the last two coins, the 50 cent has a lionfish in the genus Pterois. Pterois, yeah, that's a genus. And there are different species occurring at different places. Generally, how it works is that species that occupy the same niche do not occur in the same place. So if this one lives on the bottom and is a hunter and gatherer, another species of lionfish would not actually be in the same area. But yeah, that's debatable. Like different species that have the same type of hunting strategy can live in the same area if their density is not that high. Anyway, this is a coin channel, not a biology channel. Okay, Now this one has a stone lion. Now, I think in Mandarin it's called Xixi. On Numastar, this has a merlion, but obviously this is not a merlion. The merlion has the body of a fish and the head of a lion, and that is actually the one of the symbols of Singapore. So this is just a protection lion that occurs in Chinese mythology, and it's also adopted by countries around the place like Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Thailand, Burma as well, and to some degree by the Malays. So here I have the coins on their side, and as you can see, the 1 cent, which is here, is plain, and the rest of the coins, $5 to $1, are milled. And that's a current case with the 10 and 20 cent coin, they're still milled. Okay. Now, all these coins would have circulated, like those coins would have circulated, it would have been common currency, but this coin is quite big, and they also had a banknote as well, so see how could this have actually circulated? I'd say probably initially it did, because the mintages are high, but in the end this coin was actually not as popular as the banknote. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. If you like these coins, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe so I can show you more about currencies from around the world. Thank you and have a nice day.